Hello all. Today we will learn about Windows Registry Analysis. Windows Registry is basically a hierarchical database which stores system configuration information. That means it contains information regarding the operating system functions and also stores programs and settings for the programs which were installed. And in terms of evidence, the Windows Registry can provide a wealth of information like we can find out the internet searches, the sites we have visited, passwords, user activity like the programs that were running in the system or installed in the system, and the files that have been recently opened. So all this kind of evidence we can get when we analyze the Windows registry. So Windows registry have 5 basic hives. We can see or view the Windows registry in the Microsoft in Windows inbuilt tool called Registry Editor. So let us see how it looks. So when you search for Registry Editor in your search tab, then you will get the tool. So this is the interface of the tool, and the registry Windows registry basically have 5 hives. That is HKey class root, current user, HKey local machine, HKey users, and HKey current config. These all hives play an important role. Like HKey current user, it stores information regarding who is the current user using the system, those details and the settings which were implemented by those user and the apps running by the user, the current user. And HKey local machine, it stores like details like what are the settings of the operating system and the programs and like all the general settings. HKey users, it contains information of all the users, like how many users are logged, are there using the system and the settings for each user. So that details we can get from HKey users. And HKey current config, like it will show what is the current configuration of the system and such type of details. So this is the Windows registry editor. So if we check it, when we click on any particular key, and we will see here the binary data like which we can't understand. So to analyze these data and to get the required evidence, we are going to use registry editor. That is the tool we are going to use for analyzing the Windows registry. It is Registry Explorer, the tool name is. So we have to download this Registry Explorer. So first open your Google and type like Eric Zimmerman tools. Basically that tool was developed by Eric Zimmerman. So click on the first link you get. Then it will give the list of tools which used for different analysis procedures. So we'll download Registry Explorer tool. So when you click on the link, you will get to see the website like this, Eric Zimmerman's tools. So here swipe down and you'll find the Registry Explorer, this one. Basically it have command line version and GUI version. So download the GUI version. Now we'll go look at how we can analyze the registry using this tool. So when we download the Registry Explorer, we'll get all these files like registryexplorer.exe, rla.exe. Now open the registryexplorer.exe and run it as administrator. Click on yes, and then it will load the tool. So this is the interface of the Registry Explorer. I have version 1.6. You can also download the latest version 2.0 and go to File, Here you can load a hive which you have already like extracted from an image file if you have, or else you can directly choose a live system, like uh, click on live system, go to users, then to analyze the use HKCU, that is HK current user, you have to go to users, then username and nt user dot dat. This contains all the user specific information. So click on it and it will load the hive. Then click on root. Uh, in root, you have to go first, search for software. Then in software, you have to click on Microsoft, search for Microsoft. Here, Microsoft. Then after Microsoft, if we are going to find out like what are the files we have opened, then we have to go through this path, like go to software, Microsoft, then we have to go for Windows. There is Windows. Yeah, Windows. In Windows, we have to go to current version, and click on Explorer. So then it displays, when we click on Explorer, it displays in right side what the data in a clear text format and with a chronological order, like what when the file created or when is the particular file opened, such type of data we can see. Like here we are getting to see logon count, Explorer startup phrase recorded. So if we want to search for what are the recent documents open in the Explorer itself, we have to search for recent docs. And here the one we have to click it. And so these are the recent docs which were open in the system. So you'll get this data like the PDF file, the doc file, XLX file, and the extension last opened, such type of data you'll get. And if you click on run MRU under Explorers, then it will show like most recent used run command. The run command, like when we click Windows plus R, we'll get the run, this run folder, sorry, run terminal, right? So in this, what is the recent commands we implemented in the system that you can get from this run MRU. And when you under Explorer only, when you search for typed paths, it will show you what are the paths we have typed in the system to to redirect. Then this is only, it is showing only one typed path. And there are also other thing like user assist. So currently it is not showing any data. It will show what program was executed and how many times it was executed by a user. But it's not showing any data. So likewise, you can explore it. This is about the ntuser.dat. If you want to analyze the other hives, so for analyzing even the other hives like software hive, HKCU, current user software Hive, HKLM system Hive. So local system Hive, local machine Hive, you have to just go to like what, however, how we have loaded the HKCU Hive, like that all same we have to load, go to live system, go to files, click on live system and click on software, click on software, then it will load the Hive related data. It may take some time. So in HKCU, you have to go to soft, under root, you have to go for software. Is that it's Microsoft? Microsoft, you have to go to Windows. In Windows, you have to click on current version. Current version. If you click on run, then it will show what are the runtime like startup programs when computer is booting up. It shows that details. And likewise, we can also analyze system Hive. See here we have got one more Hive like system. In this, go to root, then click on current control set, then click on enum and click on UB-stir. This will basically show the list of USB devices attached to the system, and it also leaves a timestamp and also other metadata or identification code assigned to that USB device. So here you can see the cursor blade, that is SanDisk USB was attached, and the timestamp of that USB device and the version, the disk ID, the serial number assigned in the device name, when it is first installed, last connected, last removed. These are all the details you can get to see. If you click on USB, which is just on the top of USB store, it will show what are all the USB devices attached to this system, the list of the devices you can see. So this is how we can analyze the registry, Windows registry, by loading the live registry hives. So this is it. Thank you for watching.